The Ukwuani Council of Chiefs and Elders, in conjunction with the Ukwuani President General, has issued a firm and uncompromising directive to all political actors, government representatives and stakeholders, stating that there shall be no political campaigns of any kind in Kwale, Ukwuani Kingdom, until justice is served to Ndokwa Nation. Few days ago, in Kwale community in Ukwuani land, elders from that community came together and said that there shall be no political campaign in Kwale community. And that's because politicians in this Anioma land have not done anything meaningful for we Ukwuani people. But when this thing dey bad be say, if all those politicians still come meet all these elders for Kwale community now, come give them money, they go change their mind. No be today we start to dey see all these kind of things. If Okowa go meet all these chiefs for Kwale now, if he give them money, you go see them tomorrow they campaign for Okowa. This is what we are seeing in Nigeria. Few days ago, youths from Ukwuani land went to governor's office in Asaba protesting, saying that they should come and build IPP step down for them in Okpai, in Ukwuani land. IPP step down in Ukwuani land is expected to be giving Ukwuani people light. But Delta State government, they no care. Ukwuani people have been living in total darkness for more than 20 years. So, this meeting where these elders for Kwale do, it is very good. But they are expected to back it up with action. Saying that politicians should not come to Kwale to campaign, na just mere talk be that. If politicians come, you go shoot them gun. You go arrest them. You get wetin you go do them. All we Ukwuani people need to do is, let's play the right politics for the sake of Ukwuani land. Let's use the right approach. Let's use the right strategy. If not, whenever political campaign wan reach, now this meeting una go just dey do. They talk say no politician should come and campaign in Kwale community. Ukwuani people dey complain say they no get light for more than 20 years. Yet Ukwuani people get a House of Reps member representing Ukwuani people in the National Assembly. That House of Reps member is called Nnamdi Ezechi. Na Nnamdi Ezechi, Ukwuani people supposed to dey drag say he no wan give them light. If una dey drag Nnamdi Ezechi, he go propose bill give National Assembly say him place no get light for more than 20 years. The federal government of Nigeria don give the governors of every state in Nigeria the power to create light for their people in their own states. Instead of Ukwuani people to hold the governor of Delta State and Ezechi them and their likes accountable. Some of them dey talk say, Senator Nedunwoko wan carry us go southeast. Na state Senator Nedunwoko wan give you. The only politician for this Anioma land wey truly love we Ukwuani people, wey truly love Oshimiri and Nyocha and the Ika people, na Senator Nedunwoko. Some people go talk say, what have Senator Nedunwoko done for us? Senator Nedunwoko is trying to give we Anioma people a state. They just think say state creation na small thing. State creation is a very big task. State creation is not as simple as make we build flyover. It's not as simple as make we give them lights. State creation comes with a very big process. State creation is a very hard thing to do. They are not going to just come today create states. Senator Nedunwoko, they agitate for we Anioma people to get a state. He not just they agitate for we Ukwuani people to get light. Because he knows say if we get Anioma State, Ukwuani, Oshimiri, and Nyocha and the Ika go dey get light. He knows say if we get Anioma State, we will have 3 senators in Anioma land, more House of Reps members, jobs will be created, more political offices, more local government chairmen, more councillors, more ministers. Development will come to Ukwuani land. Infrastructures will be built in Ukwuani land. Na wetin Anioma State go give we Anioma people be that. And that is why Senator Ned Nwoko needs our support and retain his position in 2027 as the Senate representing Delta North. That is the politics that we Ukwuani people are expected to play. But because Okowa don't buy the conscience of Ukwuani politicians and the conscience of some Ukwuani chiefs and traditional rulers, now why Ukwuani never rise up? If Okowa come Ukwuani land, they tell Ukwuani people say, I will give you people light if I become the senator representing Delta North. I will give you good road. Make una ask Okowa, when you were the senator representing Anioma land for 4 years, did you give we Ukwuani people light? No. Make una ask am, Okowa, when you were the governor of Delta State for 8 years, did you give we Ukwuani people light? No. So now all these things now go make Ukwuani people no support Okowa for Senate 2027. If Okowa come for campaign, as he dey campaign, make una tell am say you are wasting your time. You will never go back to the Senate 2027. That is how to take a stand. Say enough is enough. But the thing is say they go share money give some of all these elders wey they see wey sit down for here. They go change their mind. Money now be the problem wey we dey face for this life. Because of money, truth not dey again. Ejoku anane say go. We no come here to tell una say make una love Senator Ned Nwoko. We are only saying that support Senator Ned Nwoko so that he will give us Anioma State. Senator Ned Nwoko don start Anioma State agitation, and Anioma State is about to be created. Make una no allow Okowa to come comot Senator Ned Nwoko from Senate, then jeopardize Anioma State creation. Okowa wants to destroy Anioma State agitation. He wants to stop Anioma State creation. That is why he is going back to the Senate. Okowa not care about anybody for this Anioma land. Na him own pocket he care about. If to say Okowa care for Anioma people, at least Okowa people go talk say Okowa give us light. Okowa give us university. Okowa give us good road. Okowa give us good water. Okowa give us security. Now all those things now Okowa supposed to take the campaign, but instead he take Anioma State and the Southeast zone in the campaign. They talk say Senator Ned Nwoko won't carry Anioma people go Southeast. Is that what a sensible human being is supposed to be using for campaign? That is to tell you that Okowa not get vision for Anioma people from 2027. His agenda is to stop Anioma State creation and the Southeast zoning. If you be Ukwuani person, you want Ukwuani land to better, the political creation called Southeast is not supposed to be a barrier to you. Now South we Ukwuani people dey, are we benefiting from the South? No. And for this Delta State where we dey so, we Ukwuani people, we dey with Urobo, Isoko, Ijo and Isekiri. But if we get Anioma State, we go know say na only we Ukwuani people, Ika, Ushimiri and Anyocha 9 day for this Anioma State. As revenue they come, we gonna say that revenue is between only we Anioma people. If we dey get issue, we gonna say now we will be brothers 9 get the issue. We can manage the states. Ika person they speak, we dey hear. Oshimiri and Anyocha they speak, we dey hear. We too they speak, that they hear. So the state na the state of one people. That should be an interest to we Ukwuani people. Say, we want state to this state na just for we Igbo speaking people. It's better. Let's clamor for this state. Let's support Senator Ned Nwoko for this state. And the Southeast na for Igbo speaking people. We Ukwuani people, we understand the dialect of our Igbo brothers in the Southeast, and they also understand our own. All these things show say the Southeast is the right place for Anioma State to be, not in the South. Some people will be saying that Senator Ned Nwoko is only using Anioma State creation for campaign. Say he no wan really create the Anioma State. He just dey tell Anioma people about Anioma State so that Anioma people go support am for Senate 2027. It's a lie. That statement na propaganda. It's not true. This Anioma State where Senator Ned Nwoko dey agitate for so na something wey could become a reality. Are they inside this Anioma State creation movement? I know what is happening. I will never come here to deceive you people. This Anioma State where they talk say they wan create so, Anioma State creation is 100% possible. It must be created, and that is why I'm telling Ukwuani people not to miss this chance. That is why I'm telling Ukwuani people not to sabotage the effort of Senator Ned Nwoko. That is why I'm telling them to support Senator Ned Nwoko for Senate 2027, because that is the only way for we Ukwuani people to get this Anioma State. Have there been any record that the Southeast is killing Ukwuani people? No. Fulani herdsmen don't come from northern Nigeria. They kill Ukwuani people for inside bush for this Ukwuani land. Are they from the Southeast? No. Are they Igbo people? No. Now Southeast they exploit we Ukwuani people? No. So why are some Ukwuani people saying that they don't want Anioma State to be created as own to the Southeast? How to know that you are a failure in Nigeria is that if you be Nigeria person and you dey feel say na Southeast be your problem, then you are a failure. Those people from southwestern Nigeria, from Yaribala, where they call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu terrorists, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our problem, he's the problem of Yariba people, is this, is that. So many of them, where they talk all those things, Hausa, Fulani bandits and terrorists don't kill them, finish. So many people in Nigeria that are saying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is preaching hate, he's insulting people, he's doing this, he's doing that. Today, so many of them they talk say, that time when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they talk all those things, they feel say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just they play. Say now their eyes open to wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they talk. Say now they know say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is telling them the truth. Say if to say they take the word of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that time, say they're not going to suffer wetin they suffer today. That they regret their life today. They talk say that time when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they tell them say Fulani is coming, they think say na play. So if you be Nigerian and you dey feel say Igbo is your problem, you will end up a failure. If you no be failure when you dey talk that thing, as you start to dey talk that thing, you will end up a failure. So if you be Ukwuani person dey talk say I no wan make Anioma State join Southeast, you are turning Ukwuani land to end up as a failure. Ukwuani land is already a failure, but saying that thing the more is making Ukwuani land a failure. If they push Ukwuani land, they enter the pit of failure. The Southeast is not the problem of we Anioma people. The Southeast is not the problem of Ukwuani people. Ukwuani people support Senator Ned Nwoko for Senate 2027. Okowa is an enemy of progress. Ife Mado Adia saw Okowa. Okowa is only here to enslave Ukwuani people just like he did the last time. He wants to enslave Anioma people just like he have always been doing. We will never allow Okowa to succeed this time. Support Anioma State creation at the Southeast zoning. Ishe Gwale.